All right, so let's just go over Tanmay's Upwork profile, shall we? So you're paying somebody thousands of dollars to supposedly fix your credit who sucks at fixing credit, but hey, this guy makes $6 an hour. Says that he has over 5 years of experience, including Credit Repair Cloud. 5 years. So that would be what? Since 2019? But, and let's see if I can find this. If you scroll down, certification, CRC software issued January 2022. So unless we're in 2027, that's not accurate. You can even actually pull it up. Shows his full name, January 16th, 2022. And I've completed this myself, just so you guys know. It's a joke. You don't learn nothing. It means absolutely nothing. But yeah, 2 years max, but you're advertising 5 years. And the reason I bring this up is because people question me when I say I've been doing this since 2016, but the business hasn't technically been going but since 2021. So when I say I've been doing this since 2016, I'm including when I was working on my own personal credit. Because after that, it was just friends, family members here and there, nothing big. I didn't start really getting into this until 2021. So that's why you hear me say that I started in 2016, because that is when I started learning how to do credit repair. But yeah, if y'all want to pause and read anything else, and I've said this in another video, if you're fine giving your personal information to somebody over there, go here. Pay him $6 an hour. Why go pay somebody thousands of dollars to fix your credit? And yeah, I'm sorry about the text message that popped up, but yeah, you can pay $6 an hour to these people to fix your credit if you're okay giving your personal information to them. A lot of people aren't okay with that, but this is who you are actually hiring when you hire most credit repair companies, even the big ones. I'm not sure if Lexington Law does. We'll have to ask the scammer since he learned everything from them. Not sure. But anyways, again, be careful who y'all hire for credit repair. They can talk the talk all they want, but until they show results like we do, they can't compete, and they're nobody in my eyes. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.